Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use Kalodata to research products for TikTok Shop. So first, you will have to log into your account on kalodata.com and click on the TikTok Shop tab on the sidebar. And there you will see a list of trending products that are performing well, specifically on TikTok Shop. You can sort and filter by category, views, country, or estimated revenue. Click on any product to get more details, and then you will see videos, seller links, product analytics, and revenue insights. This helps you find what's trending and make better decisions on what to list or promote in your own TikTok shop. And depending on the version, this tab might be part of a general e-commerce or marketplace section. And that's basically it. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.